Normal English. Tell me when you are available. Polite English. Let me know when you are available. Normal English. That's a bad idea. Polite English. I am not sure that's a good idea. Normal English. I hate this song. Polite English. I am not very fond of this song. Normal English. Give me your business card. Polite English. Do you mind if I take your business card? Normal English. I want a hamburger. Polite English. I would like to have a hamburger. Normal English. Send me the report. Polite English. Could you please send me the report? Normal English. Your work isn't good. Polite English. I am not quite satisfied with this work.